We give you the money based on say trust, based on say you be our treasurer for the situation. Now we need the money to do one or two things. No way. No way. No way. You carry our money, take give those here, take go city. Without you don't let us know. You do on your own. Money when we gather suffer. When we gather, they suffer day and night with they work. Now let you carry. Go give those take travel. Now, over a month now we they call dossier. Dossier no they pick. Okay, make dossier from city, come village. Dossier no they come. How will they get the money?
Calm down, please. Okay. Give me some time.
Okay.
Please calm down.
You don't use your own brain. See, you give for 3 days. If you don't get that money, you will use your head to replace for the money. Your head go roll for the money. Smile, calm down. But when they get out, they hustle. Morning and night, they walk. You, I ain't go touch you.
Please, give me some time.
Okay, don't worry.
Give me some time.
Harry.
Give me some time.
Harry.
Give me some time.
They will use your head to replace the money. Graduation money.
Favor, my friend. It's been long ago. But Favor, I'm disappointed in you. How? Favor, you are getting married. You are getting married and you didn't tell me. Your own childhood friend. Favor, I'm disappointed in you. I'm not happy at all.
Azoka, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You are sorry?
Take me on away. My parents, they said I should get married. I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me.
I'll only forgive on one condition. Your first child will bear my name. You will name her after me.
How do you know my first child will be a girl?
Your first child will be a girl. She must be a girl. She will look exactly like me.
Oh. Okay, no problem. Let the will of God be done.
Okay.
My friend.
This one you're in this village. What are you up to?
Chinoye, do you need money?
Money? Junior, what are you doing with Chinonye, CNN?
My only beautiful sweet sister.
No.
Good. Chinoye, meet me at home. Let me give you some money.
Thank you. Brother, if she comes to our house, I'll beat her.
Calm down, my sister. I want to take you to the Pawine joint so that you eat some bushmeat and kobe.
Brother, are you serious?
Let's go.
Let's go! Let me forget about this girl.
There's a very big problem.
Problem, you say?
Yes.
What is it again? Tell me about it.
The doctor have confirmed that I'm pregnant for you.
I'm not the one responsible for this thing in your womb. Far away for yourself. I'm not.
I'm pregnant for you. I only came to tell you so that you can come and see my people. Now that this pregnancy is clearly, I don't want my parents to kill me. They will kill me if they find out that I'm pregnant. Please.
If you know what is good for you, better find a way and remove it. For you, I'm not going to see your people for anything. Anything! It's over between us.
Jeremiah!
Not Jeremiah, me!
You love me!
Love you for what?
You told me you love me! How can you put me in this condition and leave me? Oh my God!
I never told you I love you. I never told you one day I love you. Find solution for yourself is over.
Jeremiah, come back here! Come back here! Oh my God! Jeremiah, you promised me heaven and earth. You told me you love me. God will punish you. God will punish you. Jeremiah, you better come back now. Come back here. Come back here.
Hey, Amanda, with all this packaging and branches, you've fallen my hands. The most annoying part is, you got pregnant for that miserable, low-life Jeremiah.
But I love him. I love him.
You love who? I least expected this from you. I thought you're grown up, but I can see you are still childish. Who are you going to put the blame on now? Your brother, me?
come here to insult me? Is that why you came here? Are you mocking me? I thought you were supposed to be my friend. I don't need you here. Get out. Get out! I don't need you. Get out!
You call it. You are going to take care of that alone. I thought I was talking sense to you.
What do you know you are saying? Just get out. Ah, Jeremiah.
Chika, how are you?
I'm fine. How did you know my name?
Oh, yeah, we were very small then before I left the village for city.
Really?
Yeah. I like you. I don't know if I'm not making a mistake. I want to make you my wife. What's funny?
Is that how you go about getting married to every girl you see in this village?
No, sorry, no, it's not that. It's just that you are beautiful.
So how come I don't know you?
Well, you are right. I just came back from the States a few days ago to see my friend Henry.
Came to see Henry?
Yeah, my friend Henry.
Okay, I've heard you. I'll think about it.
Really?
Yes, really.
Well, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, I'll be going now.
What is it? Eh? What is it? Prim. Holy. Born again. Upon all this, you're born again. So you still chase after men. Me? Running after a man? We were only talking and you saw us. We were just standing talking.
Please don't shout at my friend like that.
See, mind yourself or else what I'll do to you, you won't like it. And as for you, now that you're looking like Puff Puff, by the time I finish with you, you turn into flat tire. What will you do?
Nothing.
Oh, you're asking me.
No, I used to give it to you.
Hey, stop all this rubbish. Stop it! Ada, I loved you when I was nothing. I gave you my heart. Ada, but you humiliated me in the presence of the whole village.
I told you I was just being childish. I don't know what got into me.
Stop. Listen, you embarrassed me when I had nothing. You disgraced me when I had nothing. And so you don't expect me to just accept you like that. Now for the last time, leave my life alone! Now get out of here!
Forget that
Get out! Get out! Father. What's the problem? I thought I was hearing your voice. Why are all these stupid girls that would just leave my life alone?
Who is that? Who is that person? Tell me the person.
Is you know that stupid Ada?
Ada? Ada again? Oh my God.
Father, you need to have seen the way this girl disgraced me in the presence of this whole village. She humiliated me, Father.
I know they are always like that.
Like because I have made money, she's running back to me and thinks I will just accept her.
That's it. But there's no problem, my son. Just calm down. Calm down. I was hearing your voice. I was surprised. Eh? Just calm down. Okay?
It's okay, Father.
Take it easy.
It's okay.
I know what I will do. I will approach the father.
Better.
Calmly.
Better.
If he refuses to understand me, then I can do anything I want to do. Okay?
Okay. Calm down. All right, let's go back to the car. Okay. Let's go back to the car.
This is good. Forget about her. Don't forget about her. If care is not taken, I will approach the father the way he wouldn't even like it. I will talk to him.
Engineer, go. Hey! Stop it there.
Well done, though. Go, though.
Go. Get off from me.
It's me.
And what are you guys doing here?
We came to greet you. We had your back, so we came to pay homage.
So who?
To you. We saw you spray money everywhere. We spray money. So we said we should come and pay homage.
And so, if I'm spraying money, am I spraying it for you? I ask you again, what are you doing here?
Dozie, now it's me now. It's me now, Dozie.
Listen, I am busy, okay? Excuse me.
Dozie, Ada is working, no?
Madam, I am busy.
I miss you. I miss my friend and I want her back. I miss my friend. Ada, where is that sweet part of you? My friend that we used to gossip together. We did almost everything together and now I am losing you. Ada, please. Ada, please. I'm not leave this place until you stop crying. Ada, please. Ada, please. Ada, I missed you. Ada, I miss you. Ada, I miss you. You just have to stop. Please. Ada, please. Ada, see, I'll not leave you. I'll not leave this place till you stop crying. Put my friend back. Put my friend back.
Mercy. Mercy. Mercy.
Larry, what is it? What is it? Stop calling my name and tell me the reason why you called me here.
I go your house, me no see you. I go your working place, me no see you. Where you go, Dozier? Since when Dozier enter this town, before you dey call me baby, honey pie, sugar, now you dey call me Larry. They will use your womb, your inner womb, to buy Benz too.
Hey, Larry, is your sister to me? What is going on?
Don't worry. Go and ask what kill your mother. Your auntie will tell you, or go and ask what kill your father. Your father love blood money. You will die. You go die. You go walk one over camera. Benz.
The sudden change in Ada's character is really surprising. Can you imagine Ada of all people the other day sweeping Dozier's father's compound? Not only that, she even went as far as commanding me to carry firewood on my head so that Dozier's father will see. If you ask me, it's either Ada is in love with Dozier or she's in love with his money. Because the Ada that I know, Ada Beke, Ada of all people, nothing goes for nothing for her. Olichi, I think I will go with the money part. Because Ada, no. She's there for the money. Yes. Olichi. Yes. Why is your mood like this? You see, that one you Oluchi, you know I know you. Your face is telling me something else. Why your mouth is? Are you sure you don't have interest in those? See. Let's not start talking about Dozie. Let's leave Dozie's matter for now. Dozie's matter is in my mind only. Is in the cooler. Is very, very hot. Pretty soon, I'll start dishing it out. Do you understand?
tell me that you're thinking from what is wrong with this one.
Oluchi, are you sure you're not carrying iron in your hand?
Iron is in me.
It's hurtful now.
Happy in a biko. What's the word? Doesn't even care about me. He got back. Not even a call. He didn't check on me. Wow. So this is the end of the road between Dozie and I. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I guess I'll just have to take it as my faith. It's fine. It's all good then.
Hi.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
You mean you can see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Ify, you're dead.
Yes, you too.
What are you doing here?
Don't worry. There is solution.
Oluchi! What is it? Why are you screaming my name like that? Oh, you're scaring me. What happened? What is it?
Oluchi Anyamafugo!
What is this? You're scaring me. Oh, what is it?
Oluchi, Dozie is dead.
Dozie!
I've lost everything, my love, my time, my everything. Does he ask me? Does he ask me? Oduchi was killed by a strange bullet. Hey! But I ask you not to be anything. I said no, you don't have interest. So why are you crying now? Oluchi, you better stand up because you are leaving this village now. Don't chase my love for
Mama,
you are here.
you're going out.
You see that, what is his name, sir?
Henry.
Henry, that's your Henry. I don't want to see you anywhere close to that boy again. Do you hear what I'm saying now? Please, go to this house, inside this house. There is a lot of clothes
dirty plates in this house. Make sure you finish washing all those things before I will come back. Because as you can see, I'm going out. Are you hearing me? Because if I come back, see you anywhere close to Henry again, what I will do to you, you will not believe it. I'm going.
Mama, good morning.
You're going to my house again, eh?
No, ma.
You're going to see my daughter? You're going to see my daughter? You're going to see my daughter? Mama. If I see you, you're close my daughter. Mama, anywhere close my daughter.